Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Zxire. Welcome back to another video on the channel for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some possible fixes to the white screen problem that you guys are having with the new performance mode in Fortnite. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So there's a glitch with the new performance mode where the screen turns completely white. This glitch happens randomly, and the only way that people have found to fix it so far is to change the rendering mode back to DX11 or 12, which requires the game to restart. This problem can leave many people frustrated, and a lot of people might not want to use the new performance mode due to this bug. Like, there's so many people missing out on the benefits of the new performance mode. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some possible fixes to that white screen problem. So CodeLife made a video on this glitch a day after the new performance mode came out in Fortnite. So in this video, he basically says not to eat the thermal fish or else your screen will turn completely white. But there has been some other problems that have caused your screen to turn white as well, so it's not just the thermal fish. So honestly, like with this bug, just be patient and Fortnite will eventually release a fix to this problem. Like, this mode has only been out for almost a week or over a week now. I'm not 100% sure, but it's still in its alpha stages. So over time, Fortnite is going to release patches and release updates to make it better, and then they're going to release the final version where everything is fixed, hopefully. So just be patient and this bug should be fixed in no time. So the second cause of the white screen problem might be due to the fact that you have outdated drivers. You should always be on top of updating your drivers, because every time they release the new drivers, it fixes all of the bugs that the old one has, and it also improves performance quite a bit. So what you guys are going to want to do to check your drivers is to search up the GeForce Experience application and open it. So once this application opens, just go to drivers, and as you guys can see, I haven't updated my drivers yet, but just make sure you're on top of your drivers. So once you get here, just press download and it's going to start downloading your drivers. Your screen may go black, don't worry, it's just updating your graphics drivers, and once it's done, your screen should come back on. So hopefully this problem actually fixes the white screen problem, but if it doesn't, then I have another possible solution to the problem. So right click on your desktop and go to the NVIDIA control panel. Once it opens, just go to desktop size and position, and once you're here, make sure the perform scaling is on your display and not your GPU. Now, there have been people that have had their scaling on their GPU and they've been having this white screen problem, so just switch it to a display like so, and also make sure override the scaling mode set by games and programs is ticked. Press apply. Your screen should go black for a second, and when you come back, you should be good. So hopefully with the three methods that I showed you, the white screen problem actually goes away in Fortnite. To the people who have to deal with this problem, like, it must be frustrating to have to deal with it, because you're missing out on all of the benefits of the performance mode because you can't even use it. But yeah, so hopefully one of the methods that I showed you in today's video actually helped you with your problem. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, it's been your boy Zxire, and I'm out. Peace.